Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And today I am playing some Kombat League. I have been playing absolute butt cheeks. Absolute butt cheeks. So far, I think I've only won like 3 matches and 4 losses. This holds testament to how much I'm losing this Kombat League. But you know, I'm not really expecting much. So yeah, it's just gonna be one match that I'm just gonna film, and then yeah, I don't want to embarrass myself too much. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Jeff, don't do it!
I do not remember playing this guy. But bring it on, player. Oh, I was wrong. 3 wins and 5 losses. Much better. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. Okay, so who are we gonna pick? I don't know. I do not know. Would Devora be a good pick or a Rock? Or Seattle BBC Jacks? Noob. Scorpion. You know what? I'll just do Kodo. Kodo Khan. I'll do it. Yo, here we go. Mashing 101 with Scorpion. Let's see if we can bring this back. The mashing is absolutely... yep. Yep, here we go. The Scorpion madness has begun. It has begun. All right.
Round 2, fight.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Fight back!
Helicopter!
How the fuck did that not? Oh man. Watch your toes. Okay, come on, Kodo. We can bring this back. Okay. All we need is just one touch. Okay, one touch. One touch. One touch. One touch. Ah! Nice! Beautiful, bitch! Suck those titties.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, never mind.
Final round, fight.
Come on, Kodo, we got this.
Helicopter!
Oh, no!
Helicopter!
Ah!
Helicopter!
What the fuck is that, player? What? I've never seen anything of this caliber! What is this? What? Why would you do that, player? Mercy! Ha! Okay, if I bring this back... What the fuck is that? That is absolute bullshit.
MK11. Round one.
It's all about conditioning with this. Come on, I know you want to teleport. Do you know about this shit? Yeah, jumping anu ida. Ha!
Helikopter, helikopter! Helikopter, helikopter! Helikopter, helikopter!
Ah, this guy is so annoying. Oh my gosh, I hate you.
Round two, fight!
Yep, Scorpion. No, what? Why would you do that? Raiden, what the? Raiden, why the fuck would you do that, player? This nigga is so frustrating. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the fuck is this, player? What kind of gameplay is this?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yeah, I should have fucking did it. I should have just done it.
Noah! Larry, what the hell are you doing?
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh!
Okay, it's all good. I'm not playing this Kombat League shit anymore.